passing of demands. Modi tummi that Friday galpa sutale within Friday gele assembly chief minister assurance dile private members they should be private members they nothing should be allowed. We saw to it in the this business advisory committee meeting that private members they is written as private members. तुम्ही आता असे झाला पाहिजे हाऊसाने किती आहे स्पीकर सर where do we raise the issues and demands आता तुम्ही क्लब करता you will club the demand various demand and you will put it on the for voting उलोपाक chance काय मेळटलो कोणाक chance मेळटलो उलोपाक you decide. I think this is very unfair. एका वटेन स्पीकर्साची सगळ्या स्पीकर्साची कॉन्फरन्स जाली when Mr. Pratap Singh Rane was the speaker of this assembly. I remember because he had briefed me on that. And there was a consensus in the entire speakers conference conducted by the Lok Sabha speaker that small states must have an assembly for at least 30 days. Bigger states must have an assembly for at least 60 days. This was the consensus. Mr. Rane also at that time was part of that meeting. And he also said, आता तुमच्या पहिल्याला आता या गेल्या वर्सा आणि या वर्सा आणि तातूंत तुम्ही डिमांडाचे डिस्कशन काडील करता तातूंत तुम्ही तुगेले बजेट जनरल डिस्कशनाचे डिटेल करता दिस इज गोइंग टू बी द लास्ट बजेट हाजे मुखार आनी बजेट विल हॅव टू बी प्लेस्ड बाय द न्यू गव्हर्नमेंट so that is what I am saying. So yeah, इतले limited period how you see house functioning like this. आम्ही आज सकाळी उजळत पळयलें की क्वेश्चन तुम्ही बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटी यू डिसाइड यू टेक वन डिसिजन that all the replies have to be there before 48 hours. You stick, we have no other grievance. We say give us replies 48 hours before. Code responsible, kine responsible, that is not our liability. You have to see who fails to give us reply. My reply jita te timer dina and jita te unreadable asta. Now what is the solution for this? How salpa jayega naga? This is my
point of order, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, honorable leader of
basic discussion आवश्यक बेसिक हांव सांगता
I know the rule, I'll quote the rules, no? तो पळय rules quote करता, हांव rules quote करता न्ही.
तेका उलोवन मागीर कर.
reply कर.
अशें दिसता की कोंकणीन सादें म्हणल्यार हो एसेंब्लीचो वावर करतलो कशी तरी लास्ट बजेट कशें तरी सोंपोवन या तुमचे लास्टूच दिसता म्हाका खूब जाणांचे फायनलूच जावपाचें आहा हें क्लियर दिसता की तुमकां इंट्रस्टूच ना तुमकां क्वेश्चन आन्सर करपा नाका अरे तशें दिसता स्पीकर सर की तुम्ही रूल्स सस्पेंड करतात रूल्स कित्याक सस्पेंड करता कोणा खातीर सस्पेंड करता कितें फायदो आहा तुमचे कोण अर्ध जाण कोण उलयच ना अर्ध जाण अडानीची सुपारी घेतल्या दिसता ती अलिना इश्यू रेज करता एक्विजिशनाचो तुमच्याच आमदार तिका बंद करता आनी तिचेर प्रेशर हाडटा सायन बंद नाका म्हणटे हाफ एन आवर डिस्कशन हे कितें लोकशाहीची हत्या जाली काल बिहारान दोडायल्या ओपोजिशनाक रस्त्यार उडून बायलांच्यो साडयो पिंजल्या ते जावपाचें उरलां तें एक करतकच तुमी एक हात वयर काडा 60 वर्सांचें लिबरेशन आमी जिखलें म्हणून आनी कितें उरलां खंय लोकशाहीची
जेन्ना बीएससीन डिस्कशन जाला आणि आमी एरायव्ह केला एट अ सर्टन कन्सेन्सस म्हण नाका आमी एग्री जावया म्हूण भायर प्रेसा कडेन येवन दुसरेच उलोवणे जाता सेम वे 1 minute let me finish I am on my legs let me finish speaker sir in the same way हे सोयेचे जाल्ले आसात बीएससी एग्री जावप हांगा येवन दुसरेच उलोवप दुसरे digitize जेन्ना 1 minute let me finish I'm quoting the rules there I will quote the rules आता तेणे म्हणले आम्ही म्हणले तो भडकता आता तेणे कितें म्हणले तुम्ही वचपाचे आसा न्ही लास्ट बजेट आनी कितें पॉलिटिकल कमेंट मारता तूं उलयता बीएससी डिस्कशनाक जाला ते प्रत्येक पार्टी तुम्ही वयता तुमचे येयना तुम्ही आड पडले कोण आड पडले म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन हालीं जाला थिंगा कोण आड पडले मेजॉरिटी 5 सोंतले 5 कोणाचे आयले आमच्या पक्षाचे येयले हे तांकां प्रत्येक पार्टी लोक उत्तर दिता पूण ते आपलेच उलयता आपलेच संवसारान आसा म्हणजे इन देयर ओन नेस्ट वीच दे आर फेदरिंग वेन वी आर प्रॉस्परिंग दे आर गोईंग डावन एकूय सिग्नल मेळना बाबा तुम्ही वयर सरता म्हणून हे अशें करता आतां ते रुल्स कोट करता आय हॅव व्हेरी कॉन्शियसली मूव्ड अ मोशन टू सस्पेंड Rule 360 and as you have explained further 258 259 is it for the first time in the history of the legislature of Goa that rules are being suspended? Honorable Pratap Singh Rane was the speaker, several other people were the speakers. How many times we have suspended the rules and why are they scared if there is going to be a good budget? First they said you will violate the code. Now there is no code. Municipal election zale. Ami jikle. Code hi na. So budget. I kare baba. Election. 5 municipality. tumches log kotan wason delay kele. So tu jawabdari amche na. We are ready to face the people anytime.
Supreme Court. You are casting aspersions on the Supreme Court. Tumi kotan gele.
I am on my legs.
You may be on your legs.
Are you reply on the words after I finish? You have every right to reply after I finish.
You cannot cast aspersion on a decision taken by the Supreme Court.
Just sit down.
Where you all have got a slap on the face. Your government went there with everyone. What happened? You all did not.
All
judicial
decisions are not slaps.
You all can't. Every day is not a Sunday.
Judicial decisions, if they are considered as slaps, then people like you would have been sleeping forever or not being there in politics.
Where is the decision?
You have also got rights for various other things which I am aware. I don't want to say it. I don't want to come to your level. Please, I don't want to come to your level. I am on my legs.
What is the level?
I am quoting the
What
rules.
is the level? We are all equal. We are all equal. There is no level here.
Please let me quote the rules. Speaker, sir, Rule 360 very clearly sangta that you have allowed to suspend 360. Very clearly sangta 306. I'm sorry. Any consent of the speaker move any rule be suspended in its application to a particular motion before the House, and if the motion is carried, the rule in question shall be suspended. The speaker shall decide the procedure in such a case. Magir 309 kilometer speaker's decision not to be questioned. Ultimately, who is the custodian of the rules of the House, conduct of the House? It is the Honorable Speaker. They are abrogating unto themselves the way they conduct. स्पीकराचे फंक्शन ते करपा सोदता आनी डिक्टेट करता काय ना जाल्यार हिंदीका वॉकआउट करता आनी वेलाक कडेन येता इज दीस civilized behavior of a state assembly, that of a state like Goa? It shows basically the speaker sir, no regard to the rules, only frustration dakoyta. And frustration etle speaker sir, hunche election ge पहिले जिला येले आम्ही काबार जातले म्हणून प्रोपागंडा केलो जाऊ ना स्वीप केले म्युनिसिपल आयले काबार जाले पणजे सारखे काबार म्हूण केले भाऊशान दाखयले तांकां कितें ते बीजेपीन दाखयले कितें ते तरी आसतना असले हाडनाका लेट अस आज मान्य लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन हांव तेन्ना ओगी बसलोलो डिजिटायझेशन जाता तेन्ना देर आर ऑलवेज teething problems. You will not get a clear print. Oh, I don't know if his number also might have changed of the specs, so otherwise he'll have to get a magnifying glass to see the small letters. He knows what is the difficulty. He's an educated person. He has been the former chief minister. ड्रामा करपा जाय म्हूण ड्रामा असेंब्लीन केले म्हूण आपल्या वाचपा येना उत्तर दिता जाल्यारूय
There is a deviation from the topic at hand.
जाल्यारूय
This is about the motion.
ना एक ही है you are only trying to score brownie
Sir, point of order.
not fair speaker
Point of order.
discuss on the substantive
Sir,
rule here
Minister, Minister is wasting time of the house.
order discussion
He is wasting time of the house talking nonsense. Nothing to do with people's classes.
speaker sir let him
Speaker, sir.
discussion on substantive
Speaker,
rules
sir, let him direct him to
Sir.
discuss only on the motion.
when I
Only
speak
on the
the truth
motion.
discussion on motion nonsense
Speaker,
I
sir,
am
he is
clearly
talking
quoted
nonsense.
the rules so I am within my rights to ask for suspension of the rules which is in order as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the Goa Legislative Assembly. I have quoted the rules and you are the final authority ultimately, so please proceed. Let us not waste the valuable time of the House Speaker, sir.
Now I put the motion to the order of the House. Those in favor will say aye.
Speaker, sir.
You cannot suspend the rules of the House. You have to put it to the vote of the House.
Yes, I am putting. I am putting to the House.
After it is
No, I want to clarify. You are saying that we raising objection is not casting aspersion on the speaker's office. We have every right. Because he has moved a resolution. He has moved a motion. Which motion we can oppose. It is our fundamental right to oppose a motion. He cannot stop us from opposing it. And we are free to speak about justification. Why
Speaker,
we
sir,
are
nobody said it. You are free to move. Nobody said, and you have every right to move a motion.
we are against the speaker.
So
Casting
you
aspersion on
should have moved a motion or moved a notice of half an hour discussion instead of moving to the well. Why drama every time?
we
Speaker,
have
sir?
given.
You
We
want
have
to create
given.
drama?
Speaker, sir.
The rules provide
Speaker,
half
sir.
an hour discussion can be there. Give a
Ignorance
notice
is
of
not
half an hour
peace.
discussion. I'm also
Speaker,
putting the
sir,
rules.
we have
I am telling
half
as
an
per
hour
the rules.
discussion on that subject.
I am putting this
Moved
motion to the order of the House.
inside.
Those in favor will say aye. Those against will say no. Ayes have it. Ayes have it. The motion is carried. Next item is obligatory references. I am taking these references. No, I am taking, should we go should we go for lunch? Lunch? So how is the agenda up to 2:30 p.m.? Members, there is small request. Members, please don't leave the house. Please don't leave the house. Just we are felicitating